Welcome to this YouTube channel where I'll be sharing an incredible method to make a successful faceless YouTube channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of using Chatgpt and Canva to generate and design YouTube shorts that can help you earn serious money. But before we dive into the details, let me quickly share the story of how I stumbled upon this idea and the inspiration behind it. It was a late night around 2 AM when I found myself endlessly scrolling through YouTube shorts, captivated by their simplicity and popularity. Among the multitude of videos, I came across one that caught my attention. Its intriguing title, "The Best Girls Are Always Going to Be the Most Difficult," made me curious. Little did I know that this encounter would spark a new idea and change the course of my YouTube journey. The creator of that video, a faceless individual, shared profound and thought-provoking wisdom in a unique way. The generosity of freely dispensing life-changing insights combined with the astonishing fact that his channel was making around $30,000 a month left me in awe. It made me wonder how difficult it could be to create similar videos, and that's what I'm here to show you today. To create captivating YouTube shorts, our first step is to leverage the power of Chatgpt. But before we begin, it's important to express gratitude to AI. Who knows, with the rise of artificial intelligence, being appreciative might secure a cozy job as an AI's personal assistant in the future? So let's show our thanks and move on to the next phase. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to train Chatgpt to generate love quotes tailored to a specific style. These quotes will have an intriguing first part that compels viewers to anticipate the second part. To ensure that Chatgpt understands the assignment, I'll provide it with examples and ask for confirmation. The quotes will revolve around themes like love, heartbreak, and friendship, catering to a specific target audience. It's crucial to acknowledge and appreciate Chatgpt's responses. If it generates something you like, make sure to let it know. By doing so, Chatgpt will pay attention to your preferences and build upon them, enhancing the quality of the generated quotes. With this understanding, we can proceed to the next section. To create our YouTube shorts, we need a structured approach. The video will consist of 3 parts: a theme, such as girl facts, boy facts, and friend facts, the first part of the quotes, and the second part. I'll instruct Chatgpt to generate quotes following this format and categorize them in an Excel-like format. This categorization will prove crucial later in the video. Sometimes Chatgpt might offer unexpected themes. In such cases, it's important to reiterate our desired themes and ensure that Chatgpt generates quotes accordingly. We want to include heartbreak quotes as well, since they tend to resonate strongly with viewers. It's easier to relate to the pain of lost love, especially for those who have experienced prolonged periods of singledom, like myself. Now, let's ask Chatgpt to generate a substantial number of unique quotes. Let's aim for 100 quotes. Remember, Chatgpt might not be able to generate 100 quotes in one go. We can overcome this limitation by requesting it to generate 30 quotes at a time and then repeating the process multiple times until we reach our desired number. This way, we can ensure a diverse range of quotes while maintaining a manageable workload. Now that we have our pool of 300 amazing YouTube shots, let's take a moment to appreciate the tools that made it all possible: Chatgpt and Canva. Chatgpt, our friendly AI language model, played a crucial role in generating unique and captivating love quotes. With its assistance, we were able to explore different themes like love, heartbreak, and friendship. By instructing Chatgpt to categorize the quotes into specific themes such as girl facts, boy facts, and friend facts, we ensured a diverse range of content that would appeal to a targeted audience. It's important to acknowledge the AI's efforts and provide positive feedback when it generates something you like. This encourages it to continue building on those ideas. Now let's talk about Canva, our trusty design tool. Canva offers a variety of templates suitable for creating YouTube shorts. We selected a template that matched the style of the videos that we found inspiring. With Canva, you could easily customize the template by adding the theme text, the quote itself, and the YouTube channel information. To ensure readability, we adjusted the size and position of the text. We also removed any text animations as we wanted a simple and a clean visual presentation. Additionally, we strategically timed the appearance of the quote's first and second parts, allowing viewers enough time to read and engage with the content. Now comes the truly magical part: bulk creation using Canva's database integration feature. This feature allows us to automate the process of generating multiple videos with just a few clicks. By inserting the database of quotes into Canva, we can create hundreds of unique videos in no time. Using Canva's bulk create function, we copied and pasted the quotes from our Excel spreadsheet. Canva recognized each code and associated it with a corresponding video template. This way, we could easily create 30 videos at a time. Once the videos were generated, we reviewed them and made necessary adjustments. We discovered that all the videos had the same background, but Canva provided a simple solution. By accessing the Elements section, we could choose different video backgrounds and replace them easily. However, since we didn't want to manually change the background for all 300 videos, we repeated the bulk creation process in batches of 30, changing the background each time. This efficient approach allowed us to save time while maintaining variety in our YouTube Shorts. With our 300 YouTube Shorts now ready, it's time to bring them to life. Canva provides an easy sharing and downloading feature. We selected the desired video quality and downloaded the videos as separate files. This ensured that each video had its own file, making it convenient to upload to YouTube. Now, you may be wondering what to do with all of these shorts. One idea is to release them gradually over 30 days. This strategy allows you to consistently engage your audience while gathering valuable insights into the performance and reception of your content. However, feel free to explore other possibilities and share your ideas in the comment section. Remember, if you enjoyed this video and found the process helpful, please show your support by leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Your encouragement keeps us motivated to create more valuable content for you. In conclusion, we've unlocked the potential of a faceless YouTube channel by leveraging the power of Chatgpt and Canva. With a well-defined plan, we utilize Chatgpt's ability to generate captivating codes and Canva's user-friendly platform to design 300 unique YouTube Shorts in just 30 minutes. Through categorization, customization, and bulk creation, we were able to efficiently produce a diverse range of videos that cater to different themes and audiences. Canva's database integration feature proved invaluable in streamlining the process and generating multiple videos with ease. Now that we have our YouTube Shorts ready, it's time to execute your marketing strategy. Here are some next steps that you can consider. Upload and schedule. Start by uploading your YouTube Shorts to your channel. Consider creating a schedule to release the videos gradually over a specific period, such as one video per day or every other day. This helps to maintain consistency and keeps your audience engaged. Promote on social media. Leverage the power of social media platforms to promote your YouTube Shorts. Share snippets or teasers of the videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. Engage your followers to check out the full videos on your YouTube channel. Engage with your audience. As your YouTube Shorts gain traction, make sure to actively engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage them to share their thoughts and ideas. Building a community around your content helps foster loyalty and growth. Analyze performance. Regularly monitor the performance of your YouTube Shorts. Pay attention to metrics such as views, likes, comments, and watch time. This data will provide insight into which videos are resonating with your audience and help you refine your content strategy. Collaborate with others. Explore collaboration opportunities with other content creators in your niche. Collaborations can introduce your YouTube Shorts to new audiences and help you expand your reach. Look for creators who align with your brand and share similar interests. Explore monetization options. Once your channel gains a significant following and meets the eligibility criteria, consider exploring monetization options such as YouTube's partner program, brand collaborations, sponsorships, or merchandising sales. Monetizing your content can help you turn your passion into a sustainable source of income. Remember, creating engaging and valuable content should always be your priority. Continuously listen to your audience, adapt to their preferences, and strive to improve your videos over time. With consistency, dedication, and a well-executed strategy, your YouTube Shorts have the potential to attract a loyal and enthusiastic audience. Good luck with your YouTube journey, and may your channel thrive with the power of creativity and innovation.